Hello friends, Ryan from Ryan's Digital Marketing here again with a video. I'm promoting an exciting product again from Kevin Fahe. It's called I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0. It's got 6 modules of step-by-step newbie-friendly video training for you. I think you'll find it very beneficial to your business, and I'm very excited about just how he produces his programs and his methods of learning how to make money really quickly online, especially for 2018. So I'm going to I'm going to be very transparent with you. I'm going to go over some of the benefits of what's on the sales page, just so you can see if it's right for you and it's going to work for your business. So I'm going to go ahead and start by kind of letting you know what's in this for you and how this is going to help your business. So inside, there's a step-by-step video training. You will get everything you need to start out making money inside 24 hours from right now. You will find the best free of charge traffic, options for affiliate marketing, how to quickly start making income from $100 to $300 per day, and a whole lot more in the training program. As a result of the over-the-shoulder step-by-step video training, it's simple to copy and paste on your path to success. And who better to learn from than an affiliate marketing expert, Kevin Fahe. I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0 pros of what I see, what's good with this system, how it's going to work for you. Here's just some of the pros of I Am Affiliate Funnel. Why affiliate marketing is the fastest and easiest way for anyone to go from zero to thousands of dollars per month, even with no prior experience or tech skills. Watch Kevin go over the shoulder to see him choose an affiliate offer, set up his promotion, and begin making money quickly. Most marketers never reveal their exact methods, but he will inside this brand new training. The simple steps to quickly launching yourself to super affiliate status and making a job-crushing 6-figure income. Very exciting stuff here. Again, with some of the pros here, you'll also get with this fast action bonus deals with I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0. At the time, presently, there's also a top bonus available if you take action now. Let's go over some of the cons. Is there any cons that I found with going through this program? You know what? Really none. If you apply yourself fully and go through the training step by step, there's no reason for you to not see income at least within your first week of applying yourself and taking action. Okay? All right. So there's going to be some fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, done for you reward templates. If you simply take a proven affiliate promotion, make a couple of quick edits, and start making money in minutes, is that a good thing? And can you do it? And the answer is yes, you can. So what you want to do is you get 36 bonus layouts and 100 products you can use for your promotion. Kevin normally sells us for $67, but today you're getting almost instant access for free. Okay? Could you start making money with I Am Affiliate Funnel 2.0 today or right now? And I say, yes, you can. Fast. In the event you follow what's inside, you can generate profits within 24 hours from right now. Some individuals generate profits even faster. No stones are left unturned, and you will start making money right now, even if you're starting from scratch with no budget and no prior experience. Okay, so what I have to say on this, I do have a special bonus. If you click through my link, you're going to get an incredible bonus. This is basically really going to change your internet marketing direction in 2018. Finally, put some money in your pocket. So something else to remember, this amazing product I'm promoting is the price of a pizza. Okay, my added values and bonuses to you today equal the price of buying a new car only if you take action. No joke. I guarantee you will see the results you deserve. Many thanks. Many thanks to you for hanging out, for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. I'm still new, honestly, from the heart. I'm still new at making videos, but I really have a passion when I find a great product to promote it to my fullest, and to understand that the people, the viewers that I promote it to, are going to make money from it. They're going to feel my passion as well, and that means a lot to me. I want to become a teacher in internet marketing, you know, and promoting at the same time, because I'd love to give value and training tips. And some of my videos I will have tips, but enough. I'll do that later. I'll do that in other videos. But for that, remember, click through the link, okay, and click all the way through the sales page. Click on that, and you'll have immediate access to my special bonus only when you purchase through my link. Okay, this bonus is probably over $20,000 of real world value for you. So remember, the most important thing: take action, implement, completely focus on what you need to do to change your life with internet marketing for 2018. And this is Ryan, and this is Ryan's Digital Marketing, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for hanging out to the end. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.